Welcome food lovers to your very own Sohini's kitchen. Today's recipe is Chapli Kabab filled buns. So let's take a look at the recipe. Let the dough rest in a warm place like in the microwave or in the oven for at least 1 to 2 hours. The dough is ready when it has doubled in size. Knead it for some time and add little flour if necessary. The dough for the bun is ready. Set it aside until ready to be used. Now we will prepare the Chapli Kababs. The kebab mixture should rest for 10 to 15 minutes before being shaped into kebabs. The Chapli Kababs are now ready to be used as filling in the buns. Now let's prepare the Chapli Kabab buns. Cover the buns and let them rest for 10 minutes. Brush the buns with a beaten egg and sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. Bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. The Chapli Kabab buns are now ready. Brush some butter on the crust of the buns and serve them warm with some hot sauce on the side. If you try this recipe, do let me know how it turns out. Please use the comment section for any question or suggestion of a recipe that you would like me to try in future. Thanks for watching. See you next week then with another exciting recipe. Till then, enjoy these delicious Chapli Kabab buns with your family and friends.